One final issue I'd like to address here is when I was submitting the form, when I had a check box selected, it was staying as that. Now for me to fix this and show you it correctly, I just need to comment out the window dot location to move to a new window there, and so let's have a look at it, and it might just stay on the page now. So we'll say Tim Byrne, so tbyrne at mail.com. Tim is mail, is from USA, and lights system has broken down. So when we submit clicked, and it actually we went, I never refreshed there, need to do it again quickly. So Time Bryan, tbryan mail.com. He's a male, country USA, light system ain't working. So now we click, and as you can see, the form now is ready to start receiving stuff. Obviously we want to move to the thank you submission page, but mail is still selected there, and we don't want that. So to correct that, what we do is we go back to our HTML page, and we'll notice that for our JavaScript page, in fact we'll notice that when we're finished with our radio button section, we just try and set the radio button to blank or something like that, so it just retains the original one that it has. So just delete that out. What we're going to do is we're going to target the particular radio button in question. So our default one is the rather not say, so we're going to grab it by its by its ID. So get the element by its ID. Its element is I think it's NS, if I'm right. I'll have a quick look here to make sure. So if we jump up to the top here, and we will see that the radio button for rather not say is RNS, so that's good. And we'll go back again, need to find it here now. So RNS, and we're just going to say okay, we want this one checked, so we say equals true. So let's try that again now. I don't even need that console.log there. I'll comment that out. Just run that. Just refresh this page. And now we'll go Mary McHugh M Mac, we'll say, at IOL.UK or something. She's female. She's from England. And her cameras have broken down. Click submit, and now Mary, the form is now ready again, and it's gone back to rather not say. So look, that was just something I wanted to fix up, but we are going to be moving to a new page when we have that selection done. So I'm going to bring back in the window dot location object dot assign method to move to a new page, and that's basically it.